Hey everybody, Cal Banyan here. I'm so excited. Our symposium is right around the bend, and everybody is sending in their videos, and we've approved the speakers, and we're just going to have a really good time. Our fandango is going to be better than ever, more fun. I think one of the main reasons I go to our symposium is to see you guys. So I want everybody to be there. It's going to be great. It's the best deal in the world of hypnosis, meals included, good times included, practice building included, knowledge included. I tell you what, when you come to this symposium, you're going to leave feeling more motivated, more educated, and more confident than ever before. This is the best, absolute best investment you can make in yourself as far as your business and career go in the field of hypnosis. Now, I'm so excited. I'm going to be opening up with a keynote, and I'm also going to be doing two talks, and I'm ready to reveal what one of those talks is right now. It's called the Miracle Minute. This is something that can be added to everybody's practice, and it's going to cause faster change in your clients. You've got those clients that are so worried sometimes. It's like, oh, but what if it comes back after I get done with sessions? Or they seem to be a little bit harder to work with and things like this. This is a way to help them transform and feel in control in between sessions, and more importantly, knowing that they can be more powerful and more in control after the sessions are done. Now, every one of you can use this, so be there. And just as a convincer for everybody, I'm going to show everybody there how to do the Miracle Minute technique on themselves so you can experience a powerful transformation right there at the symposium. And so I'm working on another one too. I want it to be really, really good. So I might even wait to the last minute to decide what's going to be, because I want it to be the very, very best it can be for you guys. It's all about you and our community. We have the very best hypnosis community in the world. And I'm so proud to be a part of it, so honored to be a part of it. We've got such good leaders and great members and a great future. So I want to see you in the symposium, and we're going to have a great time. It's going to be the best investment you could ever have in your hypnosis career. All right, with that, Cal Banyan signing off.